This beautiful masterpiece you see was created with just one simple strategy, something you can learn in just a few minutes. The exciting part? With this strategy, about 75% of trades turn out to be profitable. On top of that, the risk is very low, which makes it perfect for beginners. Hi, I'm Yadi, and in this video from MiraPip, I want to introduce you to one of the simplest yet most profitable trading strategies out there, one that can help you make profits with ease. This strategy is especially great for people who are just getting into financial markets because it doesn't require any special background knowledge. On top of that, it usually delivers consistent, reliable returns. And the best part is, you can use it on any platform. All right, to keep this video from getting too long, let's jump straight into the strategy. For this one, all you need to do is add 3 exponential moving averages, or EMAs, to your trading chart. So I'll start by adding the first indicator, set the period to 10, choose the exponential method, and pick yellow as the color so it's easier to spot. Next, I'll add the second moving average, set the period to 25, keep the method as exponential, and choose green for the color. Then, I'll add the third moving average, set its period to 50, and pick red as the color. All right, once you've added them, your chart should look something like this. The process of getting signals with this strategy is super simple. Whenever the 10 EMA, the yellow one, crosses either of the other moving averages, we enter a trade in that same direction. For the stop loss, we place it just below the last candle that's outside the yellow EMA, the 10 EMA. And for take profit, we set it equal to the stop loss distance, meaning our risk to reward ratio is 1-to-1. All right, now let's move on to the backtest to see if this strategy actually works or not. I've chosen the 1-hour time frame, and I recommend you trade on this time frame as well. I've also set up a $100 account so that calculating profit and loss in percentages is easier. For the lot size, I picked 0.01 to make sure proper risk management is in place. Now let's start the backtest and see how it plays out. As you can see here, the 10 EMA crossed above the other 2 EMAs, so we enter a buy trade. We place the stop loss just behind the last candle outside the 10 EMA, and the take profit should be equal to the stop loss. Then we continue the backtest to see how it plays out. As you just saw, the trade hit its take profit. Simple as that. Now, let's continue the backtest. To keep the video from getting too long, I'll speed it up, but I won't make any cuts, so you can see all the details. All right, that brings us to the end of our backtest. As you noticed, the process was very simple and not complicated at all. Now, let's take a look at the trading results. Here, you can see the equity growth chart, which shows a healthy and steady upward trend. This clearly demonstrates the effectiveness of the strategy and makes it a great choice for beginners. In the next section, we have some more technical details. As you can see, the equity grew by over 20%. On top of that, the profit factor is 3.83, which is excellent. We had 12 trades in total, 9 of which closed in profit, and only 3 were losing trades, meaning a 75% win rate. The biggest profit was 5%, and the largest loss was 2%. The average profit and loss were equal, keeping the risk balanced. The combination of all these factors, along with the simplicity of this strategy, is what has made it so popular. This backtest, by the way, is from August 2023. I chose this period because it included both ranging and trending markets. Fortunately, this strategy has performed well in all market conditions. That said, I've gone over it in more detail in a post on the MiraPip website where I wrote a complete note about it. This can help you make a better informed decision if you want to use it. I'll leave the link to that article in the caption. Still, I recommend that before making any trades with this strategy, you thoroughly backtest it and practice using it. And if you still have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Also, if you're looking for more interesting strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit the MiraPip website.